Hello everyone, good day. In today's video I will show you how can you SSH in your virtual box from Git Bash. So as you already know, I do not do any planned videos. I just share what I learned in a day or two, okay, which I think interesting for you and helpful for you. I just record it and share it with you. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I use VMware player for my virtual machines. Let's say this is my virtual box VMware player, and I installed Kali Linux in it, so I'm booting it up. Previously in one video I shared how I installed Kali in my VMware player, so it's booting up. It will take a minute or two. So login screen comes up. I'm logging into it. So what I will check from here, two things. First of all, I have to know the IP of this local IP of this VM. That's it. I have config. So I think this is my IP address. So by this, first of all, you have to know the IP of the VM. One thing you have to check again, that is, if you go to settings from here, where is this one? Manage. Here, manage virtual machine settings. Go to network adapter, make sure it is bridged, and you can use NAT or bridged. In my case, NAT didn't work, bridged worked. And if you go to configure adapters, you have to tick mark it, your Wi-Fi controller or host network adapter, in my case, which is Realtek PCIe controller. Okay, you have to check it and okay, and after that you have to do okay. So this is my Git Bash. So I will SSH into this server by using the user Kali. Okay, so I will try what SSH username at IP address of this VM 192.168.31.234. It's asking for the password. See, now I am inside my this VM via SSH. Okay, ls you see I am getting all the features of the this terminal of this terminal. Okay, so by this you can replicate. Let's say, what is the use cases? Let's say you want to learn how to set up web application in any VM in any server by doing SSH. You can replicate this scenario and you can do it from your own. Okay, so I think this short video will be very helpful to you. Okay, so I will see you in next one.